Inner thigh with exercise ball, working hip, glutes, and thighs. Lie down and lift the legs off the floor, placing an exercise ball or some other type of ball between the knees and shins. Squeeze the ball lightly to keep it from dropping and put the hands on the floor for more support. Slowly squeeze the ball, contracting the inner thighs. Release the ball slightly, keeping some tension on the ball. Avoid releasing all the way, but keep a light squeeze to keep the ball in place and the inner thighs engaged. Repeat for 1 to 3 sets of 12 to 16 reps. If you find your back arching, bend the knees more or put the feet on the floor for this exercise.